there. Have you ever been right in the middle of a project, or maybe even just starting a project, and you want to add a sticker, and you go to add it and you know exactly what you want, but as soon as you get into your sticker assets, there are so many of them that you have to scroll through that it takes forever to find the exact one you're looking for? Well, it might be time to start doing some spring cleaning. Welcome back. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to clean out your asset collection. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is to go over to the assets store. Now I realize that sounds a little strange. Usually you go to the store to buy things, but we're not going to buy anything. We are going to go over to this little folder here in the right hand side, and it says My on it. This is my folder of assets. So we're going to click on that. And when we open it up, we see on the left-hand side, we've got effects, we've got transitions, we've got stickers, we've got music, we've got sound effects, we've got clip graphics. So all of the assets that we've gotten from the asset store are in here. So I've opened up the stickers, and you can see I've got quite a collection of stickers. I do love the stickers. I'm like a 10-year-old. But what we need to do is pick one that we don't use very often, and then we're just going to simply remove it. Okay, so let's take a look and see. Here's one. Annihilations. I hardly ever use this. I just think I loaded it just to check it out, but I don't want it anymore, so I'm just going to click remove. And then I get a pop-up that says this asset will be removed. So I can either choose to cancel that, or I can click OK, and then if I click OK, it's just gone. It just takes it right away. There, it's gone. Now if I try to remove an asset that's being used in a current project, like I know this letter cutouts one is being used, if I click remove, it says this asset is used in one of your projects. Are you sure you want to delete it? And I don't want to delete it, so I can click cancel. And that's a really nice feature that, you know, Kinemaster is telling you when you might be making a mistake. So I think that's a really good feature. And that's really all there is to it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please feel free to click like, subscribe, and share. And if there's anything else you would like to know about Kinemaster that maybe I can help with, please leave me a comment down below. All right, thanks so much and have a great day.